No, Jesus, not no, God.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm on medication.
Tea bag in there. If you go and dry, you want more side of bread?
Oh my God, no, this might eat off all of
Don't
this.
try eat it. You have more to take?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna take it this morning, you know.
Already before
Yeah,
you
man.
eat?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it 6:30 this morning. She said I'm gonna have to eat. I'm gonna have to eat and take it. So I don't have to eat and take it. So I'm just take it 6:30, and then I feel like I want to sleep now. So I'm gonna just eat and then just go lie down. It really make me groggy, like groggy.
Mommy, I show you what I want.
What do you want? Oh, the black pants?
Yeah, and that's
Right, Mr.
10 pack. Wait, is that 8 pack?
That look like 85 pack, Jonathan. That look like water wave. That don't look good. Why I like Roblox? Them just look ugly. It looks ugly. Why
How
you
dare you?
It is ugly. Would you look at that? That is a little shape. That is a
It
shape.
looks so cute though.
Oh my God. It doesn't look good. You're a liar.
And
You're
I want
lying
this
liar.
too. I
What?
want this and that.
Oh my God.
So man can look like robbers and killers.
Oh my God.
Mommy, you know he has 7 followers following him?
How much you have?
0.
Hope him get followers.
Like if you have Wally Paro box, like 5 billion, you'll get over 500 followers.
Oh wow.
Each of them will want billions of Robux. What's a QR code?
Something that is used the phone to scan to collect. Like I had to use a QR code when I was using Roblox to do something for you over at Georgia. We had to use a scanner thing, a QR code.
Well, there's something I want else, but I'm not got let me do it.
I don't know if we do it. I can probably ask my friend. I don't want to say his name on camera. I can probably ask my friend if he can do it. If you know who I'm talking, right? Yeah. I can probably ask him.
Wait, can I do it today?
No, I'm not talking to him. I fixed him.
Why?
Because him being very annoying, Jonathan.
Well, look, no, mommy.
Let me ask them. I think Roblox is absolutely stupid, but I like how this looks. But I wish it were darker though. Why I always have a sub Caucasian? Guys, let him know what you think, okay? I have on the medication on my mouth, that's why it looks so gross. But it is, you see, drying up. On the hair, so still looks a little bit filled. Or is it swollen or irritated? Shit. You see, mommy, it looks swell. I doubt grandma's for them to stop watching. We can.
Mommy, you know you can play events to get stuff? Malcolm, I do.
When I woke up this morning, this is the second. I remember I told you guys that I was going to start this 3 days after I start my detox. I thought it's my second one. I take one. So I had 2. Yeah, one yesterday. I'm gonna come in, and then I take one again this morning. It's just CMOS. But yeah, I'm going to walk you through what it is that I have, you guys, because there's a huge stigma surrounding this. And yesterday at the doctor/clinic, it was just too much for me. So when I'm a little bit more settled, I'm going to explain to you guys like what it is and what she told me. I did not know that this would have been, well, you know what, I'm not, because this is my shit. This is my shit. So no, no, but I'm on medication now, and I just have on Vaseline on my lips because it really leaves my lips chapped because I can't lick them. The whole of years, brother, I don't know what the hell happened. The whole years, it was just horrible. I'm trying to shield it. You're fine. Yeah, do it now. Come, inhale. Wait, do it now. Other one, other nostril. Yes, good job. No, other nostril, other one. Do it, this one. Yeah, do it. Smell it? Smell it again, do you? Say, nice. How it feel? Alright, let's try with this nostril. Come. Go now. It's a burn your throat?
My fever gone.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright, stop. I really thought you needed this. Alright, come. Let's
finish.
Alright, let me explain something. This is not for fever, okay? This is for stuffy nose. Alright? This is not for fever, okay, Papa? This don't help with nothing in fever. Alright, Baba? That is for that, for your nose, for congestion, because your nose kind of stuffy. That's all, okay? But we're not just going to the room, I still come. You don't need it, Jelly. It look like you're getting better. I had to go to the doctor today. And I'm some really strong medication for it. The wrong number? Yeah. Yeah. But Jonathan, my mommy always protects you. But I know how it's because you sound like a girl. Remember that you have some adults that want to have sex with children, right? So because you sound like a little girl, probably I didn't like that as a mother. That's why I never want to hang up the phone. That's why I need to take the phone from you. Jonathan, I'm going to keep you safe, you know? Why you know that?
And me too?
Of course.
Yay!
Forever and ever. Amen!
Oh, Mommy.
No, you can't come close to me because
No.
oh yeah.
I'm in your phone.
My phone?
Yeah, you love it over you.
I left it in the room.
Wait, I didn't do my kick.
You're going to kick. Okay, wait. Jesus Christ, Jelly, the bad mind. Wait, let me put it over here, so. Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm okay.
Go now.
Stop the drum. You're so close to the stairs.
Sit down and down. You must be kicking in your face. Sit down and stop that. Do it again, Jonah. Wait. If you kick in your face, me that beat you. Understand me? If you did kick me, that beat you in your bed, you know? Can tell if you sit down one place. Go on now, do it now. Do it again. Wow, do it again.
So you jump and then it was like turn on the camera. Yeah, but you turn a little. You can do this. Yeah.
Am I right? All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for us to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. You don't see it? Come, tell him hello. Hello.
Hello.
Can you say want to be in a vlog? You want to be in a vlog? So hold it, hold it, and say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hold it a little bit more. Say good afternoon. Welcome to the vlog. Alright, hold on. Let's just put it down. I just talk, okay? Alright, so come out here so they can see us. So hi guys.
Hi guys.
But I have to use when they're doing film for YouTube, I have to use their hands a lot, okay? It keeps people engaged. Okay, Papa? So hi guys, how are you doing? Use your hands.
Hi.
No, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Use your hands. Say hey.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I know. You look so handsome.
Thank you.
I love you. Oh, your mom is. Oh, Jesus wept. Man, it fall and drop and break. Jalile, Sahile, Jalile, Sahile, Jalile, Sahile, Jalile, Sahile, Jalile, Sahile. I love you. You driving? Drive. Go, drive.
I waited.
Oh,
I waited at twice.
a horse? Jesus of his mercy. Mighty God of Daniel. Jesus of his, what's wrong? What? This horse needs to be put down. No. This flipping horse. Darling, I think they should just come off.
What do you know? What do you know? What do you
Oh. Go, go, go. Take time. Good job. Good job. Woo. Get it? Good job.
It's weird. What's this?
Go. Sugar daddy.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes.
Oh, that's falling down.
Oh no. Is you drop it?
No.
Oh.
It's just so hard to play this game.
Do it, my boy.
Oh, look, Mommy's trying to play the game.
My video is finished. My 1 hour video could not upload a while ago, you guys. My 1 hour video could not upload a while ago, so I had to redo it.
Because of that person who called you.
Because of I know, no, it's not because of him who called me. I only said that because he made the recording stop. But he never called me, Jonathan, because I already talked to him about the gym already, you know.
Where's he?
But are the same gym now have no equipment. I mean, him say him do aerobics and personal training. I say, I don't want to do that. I want weights. You see me? Because I don't want to work with no trainer again. I just want to do my own thing. You see me? So him say him not all the time. I say, okay, wouldn't be a better fit then. Fine. I hang up, Jonathan. And today no brand new day. I can call back the number. Is that either him take my phone? I'm just not like that. And then I remember somebody had introduced me to him before, and he was being very flirtatious to me, meaning like him kind of like me. But you know, so I'm not give me a vibe. I know, so me and so, you know, yeah. So, all right, yes. So, I just feel like him recognize my voice because he know me as a lyric too. So I want them to him
watch your videos.
Well, I don't know if him watch them, but him recognize my voice because people tell me some my voice distinct. So I just figure more or less. There's no way you got call back. I'm never getting a call back.
Mom, if you do is block him number.
If I feel like I'm gonna call me again, and the next time do that in a Jonathan a problem, you know.
Block him number.
I'm gonna block it for you. I'm gonna block it for you, Jonathan.
Wait, don't block it yet, cause if you call it again, you just get so annoyed and then just hang up and then block him for good.
Okay.
But more see if somebody
call back again. Exactly, that's what I was thinking.
Call again, then that means him trying to force her to get him into your DM.
Exactly. Seal on my phone drop. Exactly, my boy. Good job. Oh, good job. Good job. Jesus, wipe out, my guy. Wipe out, bro.
I almost did it.
Bro.
That was close to 316 now. Johnny, do more good cut door. Wait, the shining light.
I'm not light. In our light.
Look here.
What's it all for? What's all this for? Gave up the love cause I needed yours. What's this all for? What's all this for? I'm not quite sure what we're headed towards, but I love you more, I love you more. I love you more, I love you more. I love you more, I love you more. I can't read your mind, so you should read me yours. Tell me that you love me, I need reassurance. Wow, you really got away with twisting words. Hit me with that face, that's when I hit the swerve. Body off the hook, that make me hit the verse. Every time we disagree, that shit the worst. You take every road except the high road. Mixing you with liquor, can't combine those. You hit me up like where you at? Girl, I'm busy tryna put us on a map. Girl, you know this town ain't nothing but a trap. I got money on my mind and I can't help it. Oh no, 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 that doesn't make me fucking selfish. Oh no, no. Bought the dream they tried to sell us, me and her and all the fellas. Cinderella or Coachella, there is shit that they can tell us. All this for? How much more heartbreak can we afford? What's this all for? What's all this for? I'm not quite sure what we're headed towards, but I love you more, I love you more. I love you more, I love you more. I love you more, I love you. Head is racing, heart is beating quick, 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 quick. Not sure how much time we got, like tick, 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 tick. Falling in love when we wake up beside of each other and falling to pieces at night. Silence is deafening, love is the medicine. When I'm without you, I'm out of my element.
Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Oh, Mommy, look how much clothes you have on. Good morning. Gosh, I love you so much. I love it mauve. I love a booger. That booger, yes, I love that booger. No, pretty booger. I love the eyebrow. Nice. I like her hair. I like her skin. Oh, your skin is nice. Oh, nice skin, nice skin. Oh, yes. Oh, I like your booger again. I like your cough. I like your cough. You defecate? What's wrong? I'm just wake up, Simon. That is what's wrong. Take off the diaper. You're always in a diaper like you're a baby. You only sleep in diaper. You don't wear up the diaper during the dayness. That is for the nightness. This is dayness. You are being silly in the dayness. You're being silly in the dayness. Silly Billy Nilly in the dayness.
Good morning, Joe.
Say good morning, Nabo. Ouch.
Mommy, isn't this blood? Blood? Which? Yeah. R.
You mean blood that don't have the color red?
No, blood that has the color red.
I don't see no color red, Jonathan. So if it be blood with the color red, I don't see no color red. That's so water, me I see.
Mom, look here. You don't see it? Something red at the color.
Don't, Jonathan, that's not blood. You need to calm down, brother.
Show your blood.
But look at me. It's because it's thin. The thinness of the skin probably make it see further.
That's not bad.
That's not blood.
At least you care about me.
I care about you.
When you say that.
Yeah?
I wanna say
A while
that.
ago, you never let me just say it a while ago. I care about I just said it.
Never
No, I just said I care about I just said it, Jonathan.
said it sarcastic.
I was not being sarcastic. I did not say it sarcastically. I was not being sarcastic. No. Jalil. Beat up this Jonathan. Go Jalil. Get him every time. Jalil. I was chanting. Come on, I said the hey so well. Get up, Jalil. Fight. Go. Hey, with the hey. I'm gonna do the rain dance, Jalil. So it can be strengthened. Well, I forgot 5, Jonathan. Hey, with the hey, with the hey, go. Come, Jalil, go beat him up. Oh, wait, no. Wait, I have to strengthen him with the
I'm taking his power.
With the don't take his power. I have to go to the forest and get it. Oh. Stop taking power. Jalil, I have to go to the forest people to get the give you the powers, okay? Jalil, you've been strengthened. Fight the Jonathan. Win. Come on, quick now. Holy God, Jalil, come win, say. Good job. Win again. Good job, don't win, stop win. Run, go hide, no, you win. Run, go hide. Run. Jalil. Jalil, your dad heavy like. You want the orange? Alright, then hold on. I have to take off this. You say you're going to get it later. You want it now? Come here.
He has 20 packs.
Wow. Why are you crying? Because you want the orange now? But you'll have to wait, Joe. Gigi doing a lot of things, okay? You have to wait, and I think she wanted to eat the orange later, or else I'll go and look about it for you. But she said later. And I like the mask.
Figure.
You want my laptop? Because you're not going to get the orange, you know. So if you're good, you can contact Mama. Are you going to give it to him? Mama, me cannot discipline the little boy for saying nah, get it just for you to turn and give him it. When I drink a tea, Papa, like what you said, and eat a breakfast, then I get the orange. But you want to eat the food first. Papa, you want to eat it now? But it's not now, Baba. You want to go and talk to Gigi so see if I can drink some of the tea or something, okay? Mama, I go for one brief him not have nothing. You can't don't eat. It just looks so good. I really hope I read at least one. I really do. I just don't know if I'll ever have the time to read. I know it sounds. Oh shit, Jalil is in his feelings. Rati, yes, Jalil, if you eat your tea first. Because unless you eat your tea now, Jalil, as your grandma say, you cannot get the porridge. Because you're not eating your tea. That's a problem. You don't eat your tea and get it, Jalil. You need to eat your tea. You need to eat your tea. Yeah, so when you eat your tea, you get the orange. Oh crap. I'm going to take it up a while ago. I'm going to take it in brief a while ago. Oh. You don't want to lift your...
Yes. Yes.
Oh, blood of the lamb. No, this is a shirt. You don't need a shirt or they have on a shirt. You say you want a pants, right? Come up here, so Bobby. Come up. Leave my breast, my child. Stop, lift up my something and stop up on my breast. Oh, so you want this pants? You want this long pants? That would that match with that shirt? Oh, see one here? You want to wear this one?
This one.
That one? That one is nice. Alright then. What about this one? Roti Jalil, and you have shorts too, and one of your army pants did wash, you know, Gigi wash your army pants for you too.
Hi.
Them not see your face.
Hi.
They're not seeing your face.
Hi.
They are not seeing your face.
Hi.
Oh my god. 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 Don't touch my face.
No. What it's the bird?
Hmm? If you touch me, I'm gonna slap you. What you talking about? The cut on my face?
Not the bird.
The blood? There's blood on my face?
Yes.
Oh my, there is blood on my face. Right there.
No one right here.
Yeah. I have to take it off?
Yes.
I don't know if I can take it off, Joe.
I can get it off.
You can?
Yes.
You can come lie down with me?
Yes, sir. Start with my hot dog first.
You're gonna eat your hot dog first?
Yeah.
Alright then, let's go finish eat. Okay, I'm gonna go for the laptop.
Look what my rich.
Now come, my boy. Let me see.
Look it. Oh, this one.
Mighty God of Daniel. Jal, do not take that up again. You hear, Jal? Amazing job, but don't do that again. That was really scary, okay? But you did great. Your tea. Yeah, man. But it's just that the plates, I didn't want you to drop the plates and break it, so that just gave Mommy a little bit of a scare.
Look how much things I have, though.
For sale. It's a for sale. So you can sell them and make money.
How much money?
Just $200. That's enough money. Jaleel, you have to go eat off this and eat off the egg and eat off the hot dog here. Bless you. Whoa, Bobo. Cover your mouth.
Mama.
Want to spit? Oh, your nose want to blow? Alright then.
Mama. Put it down.
Come, blow. Blow, blow. Blow. Whoa, Bobo.
Don't copy me.
Don't copy me.
Don't copy me.
Don't copy me. You don't copy me. You don't copy me. You don't. Are you trying to fight me and copy me? Are you trying to copy fight me? Ooh, you're trying to copy fight me. Ooh, you're trying to copy fight me. Thinks I'm afraid. Thinks I'm afraid, little boy. Jaleel, why as you get up your job? You don't have no finish, you know? No finish in up. As you get up your job. Hey boy. Thinks I'm afraid to kick you. Ah, hush, Baba. Hush, hush, hush. Alright, I'm gonna eat. Wait.
Who you talking to?
You.
Master.
Master and our. Master and our brother.
Yeah.
Master and our brother. Ooh, that one. This one. Ow! Papa. You do things deliberately to hurt people when you're playing. And if you do that with Jolly, you do that with your friends, you're not going to play any more karate because that really hurt. And you deliberately. It's okay, Papa. Come and sit down, Jal.
But with my brother, I just like take my time. Mommy,
You don't take your time.
Mommy, I do.
You don't take your time, Jonathan. So why you kick me so hard if you take your time with Jonathan?
Because you're grown up.
Oh.
So as you won't have that much something the pain. Cause you know that grown ups are stronger than child.
Children.
Children.
Jaleel, stop name the raw something and eat it with the sausage and the bread. Don't eat the sauce or something, Jaleel. Eat it with the sausage and the bread.
Mama tries to kill me, I'm just kill him.
Jaleel, eat the hot dog with the... Still I eat more one slice of bread. Do you allow them to pitney? I'm lost editing these footage. I don't really want to delete anything at all. Jaleel just don't hear so bread.
So you have no money.
Let's give him ass.
You kill him and take him out?
Don't kill him.
So how come you not get up? You must leave the game. When not get up?
Sea moss. Sea moss. Sea moss. It's good for you. You want to try it? Try before I try it. Sea moss. Jesus. No, Jesus, not no, God. You alright? You like it? Don't squeeze it. You like it? Yeah. Alright, then don't squeeze. Put it in the mouth and then, yeah.
Good for us.
Good for us, yeah. Let me help you.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Don't squeeze it, Bob. I'm gonna mess up the bed.
I'm not at the laptop.
Or on my laptop.
Maybe the ceiling.
Maybe the ceiling. You know, you might. Oh, hey, maybe. Who's that?
I don't know what to use on my bros to make it lay flat. So I know I gels, I'm short, all the things that you can use.
How you do that? Mommy, how you do that, Mommy?
What?
You don't like it? No, I don't like it. I don't like this one. This one is ugly.
Jesus Christ.
This one is ugly.
You kiss me. You see that? You kiss me.
That is ugly.
Oh my God. This is ugly? This?
I don't know if that's what the smell of the toothpaste.
I know.
Mama will smell bad. I brush my teeth. I did brush my teeth.
You are ugly did.
Oh no.
I did. I don't know what that did. I did brush my teeth.
I brushed my teeth.
No.
I did brush my teeth.
No.
I did brush my teeth. I did.
I love you. It's finished.
No.
It's not finished just yet, man. You didn't know who I love? No, wait by. Were you calling someone? Mama, nobody in the area. More in there, more in there. No. Wait! Man, it's pale. Can I please help you, Jolene? Let me please help you. 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 Oh my God. Come, Jolene, man, stop the recording. Come now.
I love you.
I love you every single day of my life. I really hope you know that. You like it?
It's yummy.
Yummy. Let's finish that here. Look at that. Press play, press play, press play, press play.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay? Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10, man, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you want, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal.